Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to motion track in CapCut. So first things first, let's bring our video clip onto the timeline, and this is a man running across the sand dunes as we can see. And let's say I want this subscribe button to track him across the sand dunes. So let's make this a little smaller, and I want this to track the man running across the sand dunes. So let's say here, let's bring it to the start here, this is where I want to start tracking. Highlight the clip that you want to track, then come over to the side here, on the right hand side you'll see tracking, let's press that, and here all you need to do is press motion tracking. Now this will bring up this box and you can make this as big or as little as you want. So we just want it on this man here. Then all you need to do is press start and it'll then get to work. Depending on the size of your clip, depending on how long it will take. This is a relatively small clip, so it shouldn't take too long. However, it'll do the whole of the clip that you've asked it to work on. So even though we've wanted this single section here, it'll go beyond that. So if you ever want to extend the part that you want to track, it'll do it straight away. And it won't need to go through this process again. As you can see, it's gone past the subscribe button on the bottom here, and it's going to the very end of the clip. And it'll go to the very start also. So if you want to drag that subscribe a bit longer, you can. So let's just see how that works. When we press it, it comes in and it's tracking the man like that. Perfect, but as you see, the subscribe button went off, and let's say we want to extend it. You can drag it like this, and as you can see, it automatically starts to track him because it's already done that work for us. How to do motion tracking in CapCut. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.